Iran, do you think Iran is ready for the kind of onslaught that will invariably follow?
Yeah, that is $1 million question. It depends upon the how Iran is insulated, because last two time we have seen that Iran is not prepared. Iran has been caught sleeping on the wheel, and we have seen that in these riots. There were 40,000 Starlink terminals. They have been smuggled inside the Iran. There have been Reuters smuggled inside Iran, weapons smuggled inside Iran, cryptocurrency was smuggling inside Iran. And previously there was assassination and people and drone and everything, even drone manufacturing, like small units were inside the Iran. So we have seen that they are not that prepared as far as the intelligence is concerned. Israel has some kind of deep penetration inside the Iran. So the entire thing is standing on the notion that how Iran is going to retaliate this time, how solidified Iran is, how the people of Iran are standing behind the current government, and how will